Okay, everybody watch Pops. Very good.
2.
Pops is 2 for 2. Here he goes.
Ready?
3 for 3. Getting more shells.
No. No.
The record is 7.
3 for 3. You gotta keep going till you miss.
All right.
Here comes Pops. He's 3 for 3.
Ready?
4 for 4. Getting ready for 5 for 5. 5 for 5. Find some more bullets.
Uh-oh. Gonna run out of shells.
I'll go find more shells if he keeps hitting them.
Okay.
5 for 5. 6 for 6.
Ready?
7 in a row.
Find some more shells.